musk oxen. A single bull weighs more than the entire wolf pack put together. It has a reinforced skull armed with horns. There are also calves in the herd, but they are well protected. The alpha female leads the hunt. First, they run directly at the herd. The aim is to panic them. A stampeding herd might leave a calf behind. The tactic begins to work. But then the herd regains control. They stand defiantly in a protective ring around the calves. There is no way in. The alpha female calls off the hunt. But the search for food must go on. A lone bull, the most dangerous prey of all. One blow from his horns could kill a wolf. But the wolves are now ready to risk everything for a meal. The bull is easily their match physically, but the wolves take it in turns to wear him down, risking their lives to do so. Trapped in the gully, the bull has nowhere to go. Despite the danger, the wolves keep up their attack. The bull may take hours to defeat, but this kill will feed the whole wolf pack for a week. With the good times soon to end, the lives of their pups may depend on it.